Hey guys, welcome back. This is Travis at Arcan Trailer in Carstairs, Alberta. Today I want to show you guys into our 2021 Bullet 290 BHS. This bunkhouse is 33 feet 9 inches overall, and we're just over 6,000 pounds dry, so it's a great fit for most half tons, even some of the larger SUVs out there today. Some really exciting stuff to highlight on the exterior of our 290 is our expanded pass-through storage up front. It's a 42-inch wide door now, so collapsible cam chairs, Rubbermaid storage totes can fit in here with ease. We've also updated our wet well or docking center on the far side, so I want to invite you guys over that and show you some of the new features. As we make our way around the front side of the RV, we do have our power tongue jack just behind me here. Great little feature, a nice LED light there, but pushing a button, taking this thing up off the truck every time. And we've also redesigned our front cap here this year to allow for another feature inside I'll show you in just a few moments. Now in the pass-through storage here on the far side of the coach, we have the wet well docking center with our outdoor shower, battery disconnect. It's got controls for our power stabilizer jacks front and rear. And then we've also added in our water heater bypass and winterizing system here this year. So it just helps to streamline things if you are winterizing the RV at the end of the season. Now I'll invite you guys back around the far side here and we'll take a look at the rest of the campsite of the RV. So back on the campsite, another thing to highlight is a great size power awning on the coach. It's 19 feet of coverage for you guys. It's also got that bright LED strip illuminating out front of the doors. Also got our solid step entry, and just behind me, a nice little feature you'll notice is an outdoor kitchen setup there, where we've got our 2-burner cooktop, some added storage, as well as a 110 powered beverage fridge there. Some nice storage above, but a good little area underneath the awning so you can whip up a meal while you're enjoying the outdoors. I want to invite you guys inside. We'll take a look at the interior of the beautiful Bullet 290. So just as we walk into the living space interior of the Bullet 290, the first thing I want to point out here is our first closet area. It's got adjustable shelves in here, so if you want to use it as a pantry, you can. Ideally, we've also got the hanging rod up top, so you can hang up coats, sweatshirts, jackets, all that good stuff. Making our way into the coach, we have our super slide on the far side where we've got our dream dinette here. It's very easy to adjust up and down here. Got a lever on the bottom side that you just flip over on the table, quickly slides down and makes into an extra accommodation. Also quickly pops up and locks back into place. We've also got some great storage below those dinette booths as well. Now across from the dinette we have our kitchen set up with a peninsula style kitchen, just home to our large single basin stainless steel sink. We've also got nice seamless countertops here this year and the addition of pop-up power poles with a couple 110 plugs and USBs there. Just behind me, we've got the low-profile Furrion range hood and microwave, as well as the nice 3-burner cooktop here from Suburban with that nice LED finish. And lastly, we have the 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, which is a new update for us here this past year. Just gives you a little extra cold food storage there. Now with this floor plan, a great thing I like to mention here, our tri-fold hide-a-bed sofa, again, great extra sleeping area, is directly across from our entertainment center. So if you're watching a movie, you're not having to look over that left shoulder the whole time, giving you a sore neck by the end of it. Another good thing to mention is if the kids are laying in the bunks, they can be watching a movie. Mom and dad are set up on the sofa there, so the whole family can watch a movie together. Now in the actual bunks, we've got 2 large double bunk beds. Each bunk has 2 windows. We've also got some USBs and storage shelves just up on the back corner of the wall. And here we've also got entrance into our bathroom with a foot flush toilet, nice size shower, medicine cabinet, and vanity. Now another thing to mention is we have a secondary entrance from the exterior. So if the kids are running around outside, they can pop into the bathroom and not track dirt throughout the whole RV. Now just beside the entertainment center, one last thing I want to show you guys is could be a secondary pantry area or maybe some storage for the kids to set their clothes up just by the bunks here. But we've got a great storage area here that you can use for whatever you need really. Now as we make our way towards the front of the RV, we've got a little bit of a redesigned entrance into the master bedroom from a traditional bunkhouse layout where that entertainment center is right at the foot of the bed. This gives us a little extra access to walk around the bed, makes it easier to make it of course, also gives us the ability to have a true 60 by 80 queen bed up here as well. In the master bedroom, some other great features are having full-length wardrobes here on both sides of the bed with a drawer below. And then we've also added in some pillow side shelves here this past year with a couple power plugs and USBs there to help keep you guys charged up. So thanks for stopping by today, guys. My name is Travis at Arcan RV in Carstairs, Alberta. This is our 2021 Bullet 290 BHS.